Have you ever considered what is RevPoints and how you can use Revolut points in order to take discounts, take advantage of stays and hotels and taxes? So right now we are on Revolut app. As you can see right here, I have been purchased from Temu. I had gained 2.69 points, and from there, this is the whole graphic of miles, stays, experiences where you can use your Revolut points. Revolut has this incredible feature about you can earn Revolut points through shops, through stays, and which in case through spare chains. So every time you spend, you round up your chains and you use in order to buy points, Revolut points. This helps in order to create a really big balance in order to take advantage of the discounts of very features and perks Revolut has to give. From now you can see they have a navigate, the right place to start, the Condor, the City World, which is where the journeys become easier. There's a lot of companies, Revolut stays, where you can take advantage with your everyday experience and your everyday expenses, take advantage and gain Revolut points. So right here, let's go on the miles. I have 287 Revolut points, and I will use it in order with my associated Flying Blue with this account and redeem my flying miles in order to take from Revolut points to flying miles. And the next flight I will have, I will get a discount, I will get a feature, a perk, and advantage. So I have the lot of airlines in this, the Air France, the Transavia, the Turkish Airlines. This is everything you can have. This is all my Revolut points I have created the last month. And right now, you can activate that and you can start your journey. You can donate, you can accomplish some milestones in order to get extra Revolut points. So this is how Revolut points work. If you can see right here, I have donated in order to take the advantage, in order to help. So check the link in the bio. If you don't have Revolut to start today, and if you have, this is your guide to Revolut points, and this is where you can also take advantage, and you can also see what are the perks and the insurances and the milestone advantages Revolut has to give. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye, guys.